Get a Temu refund without returning it. So if you accidentally received a wrong, damaged or low value item from Temu and want to keep it, not return it, well, good news, Temu sometimes issues a refund without requiring a return. Here's a compact, reliable tutorial. So you can just open up our app or website and find the order. So for that, you go to your orders right here and find it here in the list. You must be inside the return refund window, usually up to 90 days for most items. Some categories have different rules. Check the product page and the order details. After that, just tap help and / return and refund. Apply for return for the specific item. Choose the reason that best fits, for example, not as described, item damaged, wrong item, etc. In many successful cases, Temu will offer refund without return as an option depending on value and reason. Also guys, make sure to upload photos or a short video showing the issue, damage, wrong SKU, measurements, packaging. Now clear evidence makes Temu more likely to approve a no return for refund, especially for low value items. If Temu offers a refund without return, accept it. You'll get a full or partial refund to your original payment or Temu credit. If it doesn't appear, open the in-app chat and ask politely for a refund without return, citing the evidence. Many buyers report success this way for low cost or clearly defective items. And in terms of the common questions, let me answer them for you. So Temu often waives returns for low value items, shipping errors or damaged goods, but it's not guaranteed. Keep all packaging and evidence until the case is closed. If offered a partial refund to keep the item, weigh whether keeping the product is worth that amount. And that is the fastest path to getting a Temu refund without returning the item. Clear photos, the right reason, and polite escalation. Hopefully this helps you to return your item. Enjoy, and of course like the video and subscribe.